Hey there, today we're going to be diving into one of the most popular messaging apps in the world, Facebook Messenger. Whether you're catching up with friends, handling business, Messenger has some powerful features that can elevate your experience, and let's explore them all. First off, Messenger's bread and butter. Messenger lets you send and receive text messages in real time, and it's the best part. It's all synchronized with your Facebook account, so connecting with friends is super easy. Let me head over to 1V Tech. Let me send 1V a message. Then, one of the different things about the texting a business, okay, like a page, is that you'll get an option of booking. So let's try to book. Maybe tomorrow, 13th, okay. Then the time, okay. Request appointment, like we'll check my page, so will see how this appears. Not just text messages, Messenger lets you make free voice and video calls with your friends, family, or even your team. Just tap the icon and you all set. No any charges, no what, just connect and use. So the above are the calling options. We have the audio call. Let's try to call. Let's explore the video call too. Video call. You can even make a group call, perfect for staying connected with multiple people at once. Whether you're planning an event or just chatting with friends, group chats makes it easy to stay organized. You can even create polls in groups to make decision making easier. Do you need a little privacy? Messenger has a feature called Secret Conversations with end-to-end encryption. Your messages stay between you and the person you're chatting with. No one else can see them. You head right, you tap on the profile icon, then you go all over down. This option was available, but after me updating, I no longer see it. I don't know what Messenger did, but uh, we're secure in that we have the end-to-end encryption ready. So our chats are already encrypted automatically. As you see, our contacts, our chats are end-to-end encrypted. I'll tap the profile icon and now I'll scroll down and we'll see the end-to-end encryption. So that means these are secret chats that are end-to-end encrypted. Hosting a bigger meeting or a virtual hangout, create a messenger room. You can invite up to 50 people, and even without a Facebook account, they can join. So first things first, I need to first create a group. I'll come right at the pencil icon, group chat, select the group members, select, then create. Then after creating the group, we're going to create our room. What we're going to do is I'm going to tap the plus icon and we'll add the members. Why stick to text when you can add some fun to your chats? Messenger has an awesome library of stickers, GIFs, emojis. Plus, you can react to specific messages using the custom emoji reactions. So for the emojis, we'll tap on the smiley face icon, and now we have the different ones. We can also create avatars. We can create and generate our stickers. We can select from the GIFs. There's too multiple. There's so many. There's so many. And here is the favorites. One of Messenger's most exciting feature is the integration with Meta AI. Whether you're looking for smart responses, help drafting messages, and even getting creative with stickers, GIFs, Meta AI can make chatting easier and more fun. So what we're gonna do, let's tap the Meta AI icon. After tapping it, Let's prompt Meta AI. Yeah, this is how it responds. I did a review on a Meta AI, how to use Meta AI prompts. Meta is also evolving to assist with a wide range of tasks, from finding information to organizing plans with friends right inside your chats. So do you want to make your chats more personal? You can change the theme from each conversation, choosing from different colors, different backgrounds that suits your style. What we're gonna do, we're going to first go to this option. We'll look for the theme, and we can customize all these themes. So customize basing on what you want. And please note, this will just change the particular chat. For instance, this group is the one that will be affected. But if you want to affect the entire messenger, we'll head over to the settings, and now we'll go to the theme. Yeah, we can maybe turn it no off. Yeah. Do you want to have a movie night with anyone? Messenger Watch Together feature lets you and your friends watch a video in real time, but while on your video call. Does it usually run late? Use Messenger's location sharing feature to let your friends or family track your live location for up to 60 minutes. Super handy when you are on the go. So I want to share my location. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to our group. Now I tap on the plus icon, and now I'll go to location. Then I'll allow access. Then I'll turn it on. Turn on live location. Turn on. Okay, it's on now. So here there is this section that says sharing live location for 60 minutes. When I tap on it, then I'll send the location. If you're running a business, Messenger has you covered. You can connect with your customers, set up automated responses, or even book appointments, all within the app. For business integrations, there are two ways. There is what we call the marketplace. What we're seeing here is maybe you search a product online and you wanted to text, you're asking about the prices or something. That's where you go to. I'll tap on this arrow right here and go to the page, one bit page, and I'll not enable the chat head. We'll look at the tools. So what we're gonna do, we're going to go back to the chat, and this is where we reply the messages from our business or something. Yeah, but there's several ways how you can do that. You can do it in the profile as I showed you. Yeah, so you can have a main profile and break down into different pages using your profile. Do you need to split the bill? Messenger Pay lets you send and receive money directly in chats, and it's free. Just link your bank account or PayPal and you're good to go. This feature is not available worldwide. It's in some countries it's not available. So comment in the comment section below if it's available in your country. Messenger isn't just for chatting. You can also challenge your friends to games right within the app. Perfect for passing time and adding a little competition to your day. Don't forget that you're always in control. Messenger offers a variety of privacy settings so that you can decide on who can message you, see your activity status, or even send you message requests. We'll go to settings, then we'll head over to privacy and safety, and now we'll go through all this. First off, we're going to consider the reported chats. So far we don't have any reported chats, hidden contacts. I didn't hide any contact. And app lock. With this feature, I can lock my chat, maybe using fingerprint, but I'm not gonna do that. Manage the storage, how to store the chat history, turning off secure storage, and also deleting. So how to restore the chat history? There is the reset option and also the more options. You can turn off potentially unsafe links. So this is for safe web browsing. So decide who can message you. For instance, here, deliver the request to. There is that option of a chat or message requests, or don't receive requests with people with my phone number. So that's option number one. Option number two, friends on Facebook. Friends on Facebook will be able to maybe deliver the request to chat or message requests, or don't receive requests. Other people that are on Facebook, obviously it will be by default message requests because you don't know them. They'll send a message and it will come as a message request. And also there is that option of not receiving the request, so it's up to you. You can choose any that you want. What people will see, the read receipts. This one doesn't categorize whether maybe your friends or something. For the active status, this shows obviously whether you're online or not. The people that are meant to see your stories, there is the public, there is friends only, there is custom, so you can choose any of that. And also the stories you've muted, there is that option. There you have it all. Facebook Messenger is more than just a chat app. From video calls to encrypted messages and even watching videos together, it's something for everyone. Try these features in your free time and let me know in the comment section what is your favorite feature. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to 1vtech. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.